Hi, this is Phil Monkhouse. I'm going to go over the Pearland real estate market, what happened in the third quarter of 2021. We're going to compare it to the previous quarter and also the third quarter of 2020 just to give a year-over-year comparison. So yeah, it's definitely strengthening. A lot of people mentioned to me recently that the markets generally seem like they might be slowing down a bit. It doesn't appear to be the case. The numbers don't back that up as of yet. Check this out in the fourth quarter, see how things look, but let me show you where things are right now. So homes sold, most of the areas that I saw the number of homes, I was checking some other cities, Sugar Land, Missouri City. The number of homes sold has dropped off in the most current quarter, but not in Pearland. It's increased a little bit, which is kind of surprising. This is usually the busiest quarter for sales. I guess followed by this one. This is the second busiest, but yeah, number of sales increasing in Pearland. And the average selling price, definitely a big increase from year over year. And these two here, although they look pretty close, this was actually based on a slightly smaller home than this one. So I'll show you the next slide here. The price per square foot is actually climbed a lot just in that last quarter. We'll see if that trend continues in the fourth quarter, but yeah, and you can see the huge growth, price per square foot from a year ago to this quarter, how much it went up. So yeah, price per square foot getting pretty expensive in Pearland. I'm going to show you new homes just to give you an overview. This was all resale. The new homes. So number of homes sold dropped off a lot in the current quarter. I guess it's not a huge amount, just judging by the sample size, but most of that I would say is just because there's not any inventory available. People are building from the ground up just to make sure they get a home, and the inventory just isn't there. So, and the builders put all their lots towards built from the ground up because they're selling them ahead of time. So that's why that number dropped off a bit. In Pearland right now, Pearland's pretty built out. It's most of these homes were in Riverstone Ranch. Yeah, so there's not much in Pearland. When people start thinking new construction in Pearland, I guess they're kind of thinking Manville, and then like Iowa Colony, which has Meridiana. So I'm just showing Pearland here, but you know, some of those other areas would be interesting to see too. So if you have any questions about that, just send me a message and I can prepare some information for you. So yeah, let's just look at the average selling price. Definitely increased, especially year over year. That's over 10% higher. And then price per square foot, that looks like it leveled off. Every other area that I saw, there was an increase here. But this one is pretty much leveled off. And then, but like, of course, a big jump from a year ago to what it is now. So yeah, that's where Pearland stands. Still a very, very strong seller's market. Doesn't look like it's slowing down anytime soon. So yeah, any other questions, please reach out, and thanks for watching.